With most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet, the youth of Orissa are going to present a short play, Kingdom of God, Here and Now, in the divine presence. It is a drama in real life how Swami is transforming the hearts of millions of people all over the globe in his inexplicable way. A real life story of some youth of a remote village in Orissa, remote geographically, but well connected with the boundless love and infinite mercy of beloved Bhagavan. The short play being presented today is based on a true incident. The youth of Ambadura Samiti of Raigada district in Orissa presented a drama on 81st birthday of Swami in the Samiti. The story was about a group of young men who were inspired by Bhagavan Baba to take up the project of a home for the destitute. They named it Karunale and dedicated themselves to manage it as a gift of grace by Swami. The drama was well enacted and appreciated by everyone, making the actors very happy. But then comes the divine direction in a strange way, giving them a jolt. Swami appears in the dream of one of the youth and asks if they were only acting or going to do something really, make it a reality. Swami commanded. This dream puts the youth group in a fix. What to do, where to get the land for the project, how to arrange the huge amount of money. But nevertheless, they went ahead with the project with unshakable faith in Swami's grace. Indeed, inscrutable are the ways of Swami. They experienced miracles at every step. Swami helped them to accomplish the project, which stands today with 10 inmates fostered in love as a symbol of divine grace. The play unfolds the entire story as it happened before you. We welcome you through this drama in real life to the kingdom of God, where truth is stranger than fiction. Jai Sai Ram.
Hey, Sankar, Prasad, where are you running in such a hurry? Going to catch a bus?
Yes, Mohan Bhaiya. Really, I am in a hurry. I must catch the bus before it leaves.
Going somewhere?
Going to Kingdom of God.
What? Kingdom of God?
Do you want to come with us?
No jokes, please. I wanted to give you a very good news.
What good news?
India has won the final test against Australia, which means India has won the series by 3-2. India has beaten the world champions in their own den.
So?
So? What so? You are not excited? You are not proud of our boys?
In fact, Mohan Bhaiya, I am excited about another thing.
What is that?
Kingdom of God. I must be there before long.
Well, how do you propose to be there, my dreamers?
Hey, Shankar, don't confuse him. You see, Mohan Bhaiya, we are enacting a play named Kingdom of God Here and Now, tomorrow at our Satya Sai Seva Samiti. We are going there for the last rehearsal.
Very strange name. Kingdom of God Here and Now. Who will come to watch it? What is it about?
It is about how the kingdom of God can be brought on earth. Quite interesting. Coming to watch. Hey Prasad, we're already late. Let's move.
All right, let's go.
Hey Raja, where are you going?
Kingdom of God.
Hey Susil, hurry, don't run so fast. Where are you, racing man?
Kingdom of God.
Oh, Kingdom of God, Kingdom of God, Kingdom of God. Rubbish. The whole world seems to be full of nonsense.
Are you only acting or doing anything? Make it a reality. Make it a reality. Make it a reality. Make it a reality. Make it a reality.
Baba, 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 I am just a tiny creature of your vast creation. How it is possible on my part to make it a reality? Tell me, Baba. Tell me. Tell me.
Wow! What an acting by Trinath Bhaiya. Superb! Mind-blowing!
I thought Trinath Bhaiya was not acting at all. He was doing so in real life.
It was a great piece. In fact, I felt inspired on stage whenever I looked at him.
I was sitting in the audience. The drama had a great effect on them.
But Trinath is not happy. Look at him.
Tell me, Baba, how it will be possible on my part.
What happened, Trinath Bhaiya? What happened?
What happened, Trinath Bhaiya? You seem to be in a different world. What happened?
Yes, brothers. I am now in a different world. Yesterday night, after the play, Swami came in my dream.
Swami came in dream?
And asked me, are you only acting or doing anything? Make it a reality. Since then, I have been thinking how to follow Bhagwan's command. In that play, Avinash gave up a highly paid job to follow Bhagwan. Now Bhagwan wants us to show that our devotion to him is not acting but a real thing. We have to remember that devotion without action is fruitless.
Yes, we must do something.
We must follow the master.
But what do you want to do, Trinath Bhaiya?
Bhagwan's student Avinash started an orphanage. We can also do that.
Yes,
we shall do so.
But how? It needs money and a lot of it. None of us has enough money for such a project.
If Swami wants us to do something, he will provide us with means to do it.
Sure. He is giving us an opportunity to follow him and sanctify our lives. We must take this chance. Look, Mohan Bhaiya is coming this way. But why he used to avoid us? Sairam, Mohan Bhaiya.
Sairam.
Coming to our mandir or forgot your way?
Not exactly. After I watched your drama yesterday, there are a few things I wanted to tell all of you. Fortunately, I find all of you here.
You can start your Upadesh. We are listening.
Look, Trinath, the drama you presented yesterday is irrational. Though you all acted well,
Why irrational?
it can't happen. No, it can't. It can't in your real life, my dear young man. A young professional on the brink of a very promising career does something stupid in the name of helping somebody, is fired, sets up an orphanage. You see, my friends, this is ludicrous. This is not the way to grapple with reality. Why should I bother about what happens to others? This is a fighting world in which I must struggle to exist.
All right. Then what is your second Upadesh?
You young men are educated. You have energy. You are talented. Why don't you take some good job and live in comfort? Why do you waste your life in this Baba's business?
Mohan Bhaiya,
Wait, Raja. Mohan Bhaiya, can you tell me the difference between animal and man?
Animal and man. You tell me.
Animal lives for itself, while man lives for others. Our Baba says, If you want to live like human beings, you cannot live for yourself alone. You must share your life with others. Do what you can for the poor and deprived, and God shall do everything for you.
You know, Trinath, all this is good philosophy only, but impractical.
Why impractical? Our Baba is 83 now. He has lived all these 83 years for others. He does not have a bank account, nor an inch of land in his name. He is the poorest person on earth by your standard. But millionaires consider themselves blessed if they are accepted to serve his mission of mercy. He is running to huge super specialty hospitals to bring health and happiness to millions of poor and deprived from all over the world. He has provided drinking water to thousands of villages in Andhra Pradesh and Sai Ganga Prakalpa for Chennai. He has also provided more than 700 houses for the flood victims of Orissa. The students he has trained in his institute set a new standard of life wherever they go. And Avinash is one of them. All this he has done without charging a rupee for the service. Our Baba has brought religion closer to man and man closer to God. So he is God for us and we want to follow him.
What? All this free? Even super specialty treatment? No, I can't believe this. Tell me, is it fact or fiction?
They are on record for you to verify. And your first comment about irrationality? Suppose we say we are going to make our acting a reality.
What do you mean?
We are going to set up an orphanage and run it to make men out of deserted children.
It needs money, my friend. Lakhs of rupees. From where you will get that money?
Our Baba will provide us.
Okay. If your Baba provides you with 50,000 by this weekend, then I will give you 4 acres of land in half a price. Okay, I'm going now and I'll meet you at this time on Saturday. Okay?
अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता है
You sing well, my boy. You sing well. Who taught you this song?
Anuvar Chacha taught me this song. This song is nice, na?
Anwar Chacha? Who is Anwar Chacha?
Oh, you don't know him. That blind man. He is my Anuvar Chacha.
What other songs you know?
I know many filmy songs. You want to hear? Tell me, which song you want? But Babu, will you give me 5 rupees?
Why 5?
Babu, I have not eaten a full meal from last Sunday. One Babu gave me 2 rupees. If you give me 5 rupees, then Govardhan Bhaiya will give me a full meal. Rice, dal and onion in 7 rupees.
What about your father, mother?
I have not seen my father. My mother died last year. I'm alone now.
Okay. Suppose we give you a house to live. Will you go to school and learn bhajans?
House? School?
Yes. We are building a house for boys like you. We'll give you food, send to school. You will learn music. And when you grow up, you will work and get lots of money. Will you come?
Sure. But let me go to Govardhan Bhaiya first. I'm very hungry. Where is that house, Babu?
We are going to make it. Tell me, what is your name? Where do you stay now? When it is ready, we will take you there.
Oh, not yet ready. My name is Anand. All the streets are my home. I'm going now. You ask anybody on street, where is Anand? They will tell you. My name is Anand and I live everywhere. Babu, I will get one full meal a day.
Oh yes. 2 full meals and more.
Oh my God! 2 full meals and more.
बाबा का फरमान है वो खुदा को पाएगा चल तो पहले एक कदम 10 कदम वो आएगा बाबा का फरमान है वो खुदा को पाएगा चल तो पहले एक कदम 10 कदम वो आएगा इश्क कर इस आशिकी में इश्क कर इस आशिकी में अल्लाह मिलता है अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता है अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता है आदमी को आदमी क्या देता है आदमी को आदमी क्या देता है अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता है अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता है जो माने वो नेक है सबका मालिक एक है जो माने वो नेक है सबका मालिक एक है आदमी को आदमी क्या देता है आदमी को आदमी क्या देता है अल्लाह देता है बंदा लेता 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 है
Mohan Bhaiya, do you think you have no duty towards these children of God?
Well, Trinath, you see, like Anand, there are so many in this city.
Mohan Bhaiya, you have energy, talent, and wealth, but you have no compassion in your heart.
You see, I have to answer a heap of mails. I cannot waste my time. I'm coming.
What is this, Trinath Bhaiya?
My dear Santosh, Bhagwan's Leela has started unfolding. Enjoy it, my brother. Enjoy it. He has given us the first boy for Sai Karunalaya. He is the provider. He is the doer. Let us be instruments in his hand. Brothers, Bhagwan has started working. The first check for the orphanage.
But Trinath Bhaiya, this check is in your name.
So what? But this is Bhagwan's money. You know, 6 months ago I joined Bajaj Allianz Insurance as a consultant. I gave them business for 15 lakhs during last 3 months. And this is my commission. Now we can start our work with this.
Why wait for tomorrow? Let us start from today.
Hey Mohan Bhaiya, you see here is a check of rupees 50,000. Bhagwan's first installment for his work.
Let me see. Oh, this is Tina's check from Bajaj Allianz Insurance.
But he has given this check for our Baba's work.
The whole of it? But I could have never done this.
Mohan Bhaiya, when you believe that everything that comes to you comes from God for a specific purpose, then there will be no difficulty. Are? Banwali uncle, Sairam.
Sairam Banwali uncle.
Sairam.
You have come at the right time. Mohan Bhaiya, Banwali uncle is the chairman of our Seva Samiti.
Boys, I have some good news for you. You know, my son Jagannath had been to US for a training. He came to yesterday's bhajan and heard about Tina's dream and your resolve for setting up an orphanage. He had saved some money from the trip. He decided to give all this money for your work. Here is the check for 2 lakhs drawn in the name of Trinath.
2 lakhs?
Yes, I am sure you will make proper use of it. Boys, please let me go now. I have some important work. I will meet you later. Sairam.
Sairam uncle.
Oh my God. Brothers, Bhagwan walks faster than we think. We must move fast. He has shown us that he is the master. He gives his hand to lead. Let us hold his hand and march with God.
Trinath Bhaiya, where do we go from here?
Sushil Bhaiya, Bhagavan gave us a mission and provided means to fulfill it. How shall we go about this?
And in the process, he got us a new friend.
New friend? Who?
Mohan, do you think he will remain what he has been after this experience? Swami has just shown us how he is taking over the world.
Brothers, I need time to digest this experience. But now I admit, you are living in a powerful and peaceful world. Before I leave this place, I want to tell you, I am prepared to register the piece of land I offer to you any day of your choice. And you may give the money whenever you can.
Mohan Bhaiya, happiness does not fall from heaven. It grows on earth. And do you know how it grows? The more you give of it, the more you get. You can't be happy without sharing it with others. Brothers, suggest a name for the divine project.
Why hunt for a name? Bhagwan has already named it.
How?
Why? Do you have a better name than Sai Karunalaya?
Yes, that is also the divine sight touch.
Brothers, we'll now pledge to take his lead and go with him wherever he takes us. Now let us move to start our work.
साथी रे। आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। बेसहारों को, गम के मारों को, बेसहारों को, गम के मारों को लाकर इसमें बसाए। हिम्मत काम आएगी, मेहनत रंग लाएगी, अपने इतने हाथ हैं बाबा, अपने साथ है। आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। सोच से भी ज्यादा तेज हो जाए हर काम, मंजिल तुझको मिल जाएगी, ले साईं का नाम। इस दुनिया में अपनी खातिर जानवर जीता है, सुख दुख बांटे औरों से जो इंसान कहलाता है। आओ मिलकर एक दूजे का हाथ हम बटाए, आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। आओ मिलके हम में घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। बेसहारों को, गम के मारों को, बेसहारों को, गम के मारों को लाकर इसमें बसाए। हिम्मत काम आएगी, मेहनत रंग लाएगी, अपने इतने हाथ हैं बाबा, अपने साथ है। आओ मिलके हम एक घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। आओ मिलके हम एक घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए। आओ मिलके हम एक घर बनाए, प्यार मोहब्बत चाहत से सजाए।
Mohan Bhaiya, I wanted to come to you, to thank you for your great help.
No, Trinath. Don't thank me. Rather, I should thank you.
You thank us? I don't understand.
You don't know, Trinath, how your Baba and you have saved me from a great blunder. I wanted to establish a small chemical factory on the land I gave you. The chemicals that I wanted to manufacture secretly are used in handy explosives. An industrialist of another state promised to finance it and buy 90% of the product.
Then why did you offer the land to us?
But now, that industrialist has been arrested. Tina, your Baba has saved my life. While you were busy with saving people, I would have been busy killing people. Oh God, please, please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Don't cry, my brother. Don't cry. Why fear? He is always with you.
Trinath, that is surely the mystery of your Baba. In an explosive moment that day, I thought I would show you how foolish you are. I never thought in my dream that you could collect 50,000 in such a short time. But how could I guess your God had plans to come to my rescue in spite of my nature? He and you together have saved me, Trinath, have saved me.
No, Mohan Bhaiya. It is he and he all the way.
Trinath, now I want a favor from you.
Favor? Seek it from our dear Swami.
Please, please, Trinath, please accept my piece of land as a gift for your Sai Karunala. And accept me in your group.
Brothers, listen. Here is another unfolding of Bhagwan's master plan. Mohan Bhaiya is now one of us. He has gifted the land for Bhagwan's work.
I am glad that I am a part of Baba's brigade now.
Brothers, here is one more good news.
What is it? Tell us fast.
The Bajaj Alliance has promoted Trinath Bhaiya to the post of area manager.
Is it?
Yes.
But how is it possible? They usually take management graduates or senior people for the post. But Trinath has been in the company only for 6 months.
That is another gift of our dear Swami. His divine touch is everywhere, all over our lives.
There is no end to my surprises in this world of Baba.
Mohan Bhaiya, in our kingdom, surprises are the order of the day. Love them, as they are Bhagwan's visiting cards. When he announces himself through them, he takes us one step nearer to him and nearer to the kingdom of love and service.
Then, brother, when are you going to open Sai Karunala?
It will open on Ishwarama Day, May 6th. But Bhagwan says, any good work you want to do tomorrow, do it today. And any bad work, you want to carry it now, postpone it to tomorrow. And when Swami himself is leading, there is no tomorrow, it is now. Let us move with him. Sai is our captain and we his brigade.
Baba hai, अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर, हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर, हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर। वो दिखाए राहे रोशनी, वो दिखाए राहे झुम 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 झुमर ताना रे, झुमर ताना रे, झुम 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 झुमर ताना रे, झुमर ताना रे.
अंधियारे को पल में बदल के उजला सवेरा कौन करेंगे?
बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे, बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे.
घर को हमारे स्वर्ग सा सुंदर मंदिर जैसा कौन करेंगे?
बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे, बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे.
पापा है अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर. हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर. पापा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर. हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर.
झुम 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 झुमर ताना रे, झुमर ताना रे, झुम 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 झुमर ताना रे, झुमर ताना रे.
शैतान को करके मजबूर जीवन से दूर कौन करेंगे?
बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे, बाबा करेंगे, साईं बाबा करेंगे.
नफरत भरी इस धरती पर चैनो अमन कौन लाएंगे?
बाबा लाएंगे, साईं बाबा लाएंगे, बाबा लाएंगे, साईं बाबा लाएंगे.
पापा है अरे बाबा है अपने कमांडर, कमांडर. हम हैं सारे उनके सोल्जर.
पुकार,
सत्य साई के जय जयकार,
सत्य साई,
सत्य साई के जय जयकार। अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार, यीशु पिता की जय जयकार,
यीशु पिता की जय जयकार,
महावीर की जय जयकार, जो राष्ट्र की जय जयकार, सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार, सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार। अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार, सत्य साई के जय जयकार। अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार, यीशु पिता की जय जयकार, महावीर की जय जयकार, जो राष्ट्र की जय जयकार, सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार, सर्वधर्म की जय जयकार। अल्लाह अल्लाह करो पुकार, गोपाला देवकी नंदन गोपाला, गोपाला गोपाला देवकी नंदन गोपाला, पाला गोपाला गोपाला, गोपाला गोपाला,
गोपाला गोपाला,
वसुदेवानंदन गोपाला जय,
वसुदेवनंदन गोपाला,
जय वसुदेवानंदन गोपाला,
जय वसुदेवनंदन
गोपाला,
गोपाला,
गोपाला गोपाला देवकी नंदन गोपाला,
गोपाला गोपाला, देवकी नंदन
गोपाला
गोपाला,
गोपाला गोपाला,
गोपाला गोपाला,
वसुदेवानंदन गोपाला जय,
वसुदेवनंदन गोपाला,
जय वसुदेवानंदन गोपाला,
वसुदेवनंदन गोपाला।
मनसा सततं स्मरणीयम्, वचसा सततं वदनीयम्, लोकहितं मम करणीयम्, लोकहितं मम करणीयम्।
सच सुख शयने शयनीयम् अहर्निशं जागरणीयम्
लोकहितं मम करणीयम् लोकहितं मम करणीयम्
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीधर सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपपाण्डव ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरियन्तयुनीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयुनीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओम साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुक मंगल आरती अंधुक मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।